Hello everyone, I'm Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in yesterday's video we have seen how we can access items in dictionary. Okay, so in today's video we are going to see how we can add items in dictionary, remove items from dictionary and also change items in a dictionary. Right, so first I will just copy this dictionary and I will just paste that over here. Now to add any items in a dictionary, we have only one function which is known as update function. Update. Okay. So here, if I write dict1, okay, dict1, and I will say dot update. Okay. Now in update, we will pass curly brackets, and first we will give key, and the second we will give value. Okay. Now let's say I want to give YouTube, and here I will write the channel name. Okay, Django World. Right, now I will print it. I'll say dict1. Right, and I will just run this. So you can see we got name, age, hobby, and this is item which we have added using update function. So this is known as adding items in a dictionary using inbuilt method. Okay, so now I will create another file which will be how to change items from the dictionary. Okay, so I will create new file 4 dot change underscore items dot py. Right, so to change item from the dictionary we use update function only, so I think I should remove this file because copying one and one code is not better, right? So what here it is going to do is, like, say if you pass any key which is existing in our dictionary, then it will update its value. Okay, so if I write, I am just writing comment first, so change value in dict. Okay, so here I will say dict1 dot update, and in curly bracket I will pass age. Okay, and in value I'll write 18, and if I print and dict1, then you can see it updated age to 18. Okay, so this key is already existing in our dictionary, so it basically took value and updated, right? So I also told that dictionary don't allow duplication of value, so I'll just copy this. Okay, and I will just comment this change value thing. Now if I run this, then you can see it printed this age only one time, even though we are having two times. Okay, this variable we are having this same thing two times. Okay, so it printed only once, so this means that duplication is not allowed, right? So yeah, this is changing values on dictionary, and this is adding new items in a dictionary. Now we are going to see how we can remove items from dictionary. Okay, so to remove any item from dictionary we have two methods. So first I will just create file. I will say 4 dot remove underscore items dot py. Now I will just copy this dictionary, paste that, remove duplication of values. Yeah, now here I will say pop. We have pop method. Okay, then we have pop items method, sorry, pop item method, not items. So I will write pop item, and third is del. So we have three functions, not two. Okay, so first we will see pop. Now in a case of pop it will take key. Okay, key as a argument. So if I say dict1 dot pop and I say age, then it will remove age from the dictionary. Okay, I will just print that dict. So you can see age has been removed. See this dictionary, right? So age is removed. So if you don't pass any argument in a pop, then it will give you error. Okay, so you can see we got error, right? So you must pass any argument. Age. So this is pop method. Okay, now pop item method. Now is your pop item method will basically remove the uh, last inserted item. Okay, so if I talk about this, so if I give example like dict1 dot pop item, and I will just print this dictionary. I will copy this print statement from above, okay, and paste that. If I run this, then you can see it removed this hobby. Okay, so it basically removes last item. Okay, so this is pop item, and last we have delete function. So if I say dict1 dot del, sorry, not del, if I say del then dict1 space dict1, and in square bracket I need to pass key, so I'll pass hobby now. Okay, and if I run, then you can see, oops, I have not printed, I need to print. If I run, then you can see it removed this hobby from the list. Okay, so yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next one. Thank you.